Hey everyone, are you a software developer looking for an exciting opportunity? Well, you're in luck. HCL Tech is on the lookout for talented software developers to join their dynamic teams in Chennai, Bangalore, Vijayawada, Hyderabad, and Nagpur. So, what's the scoop? HCL Tech is hiring for several developer roles including Java developer, C and C++ developer, Python developer, .NET developer, and Oracle or PLSQL developer. Got experience between 6 to 24 months? Perfect. This could be your next big break. Now let's talk about the eligibility criteria. If you graduated in 2021, 2022, or 2023 and have a solid academic record with at least 60% throughout your education, you're good to go. Oh, and they're looking for folks who can join immediately or within 15 days. Wondering about the interview process? First up is a hacker rank test, which will be conducted face-to-face at the specified locations. It's your chance to showcase your coding prowess. Alright, here's a quick rundown of the job responsibilities. You'll be diving into research, interpreting information, and evaluating data relevant to provider licensure and continuing medical education in the U.S. You'll also be handling applications for provider licensure or payer enrollment, ensuring accuracy and updates on the licensing platform, and summarizing your research findings into clear guidelines for CertifyOS customers. Plus, you might assist with other ad hoc projects as needed. Now let's talk about the skills you need to shine in this role. You must have excellent English communication skills with a decent accent. Besides your technical skills, the ability to conduct extensive research, strong attention to detail, and proficiency in Microsoft Office and Google applications are crucial. Meeting deadlines and working under pressure is a must. So, how do you apply? First, make sure you go through all the job details. Then scroll down and hit the Apply link button in the description. You'll be redirected to the official website where you can fill in your details. Make sure to cross-check all the information before submitting your application. And for the cherry on top, the expected fresher salary is a competitive CTC of 3.9 LPA. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description, apply now, and take the next step in your career with HCL Tech. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting job updates. See you in the next video.